Today we're about to take a look at some new offerings from Olight. You guys, these are some super cool lights here, slash chargers, slash, I'll get into it. It's some fantastic stuff. And it's also this knife here that I've been carrying every day with me. So we'll go ahead and hop into this stuff here quick. I'll also show you guys the other two knives from O-Knife that I have been loving so far. Some of them are pretty cool. So I'll make sure to show you guys those. And we're going to end with this baby here. This thing is a beast. I'm really glad that they made this because it's a cool offering. So something you guys can keep in your tool bag that will help you every day in a lot of ways. Subscribe for more content like this. You guys like this video if it adds any value. Let's go ahead and hop into it. So we'll go ahead and start just by showing you guys some of the cool little knives that I have from them already. This one here is the Heron L1. They've actually got a deal going on this one right now, but it's got D2 steel and a G10 handle. If you know what that means, great. If not, it's really not that big of a deal. It's got a little flip out blade. Obviously the knife is huge, cool little knife. And then I've got this one here. I'll let you guys butcher the name because it's spelled right here on the thing, but that is that. The locking mechanism is this button here. So it locks. To unlock it, you push that down. You can still flip it open. Really nice blade here. This is the OD green. They've got an OD green for the other one as well. But we'll hop into the new stuff. This has been my knife that I've been carrying every day for a while now. It's the Beagle. It has a G10 handle. It's super nice. I love the black. It just flips open super nicely. I like the weight distribution. It's a really, not a small knife, but it's really not a very large knife, especially the handle. I like that a lot. It fits in my hand very nicely. Just got a little liner lock here. It's like a harpoon style of blade, super sleek. The blade's a 154 cm, which again, I'm not a big blade guy, so I don't know. I know that I like it. I know that it looks good and that it functions well, which are the important things to me. So definitely a cool little blade. You guys check this thing out. It's pretty slick. I've been carrying this one a lot more than I have any of the other blades recently. I've probably had it for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and it's been in my pocket a lot. So cool blade here. It's the Beagle, and it comes in this package here. It does have a little sheet in here. It comes in this package here, which is nice, and then it's got a little token in here as well, which is cool. I like this little stuff. This stuff is, little knickknack stuff is cool to me. Super heavy coin here, and then there's a cloth for cleaning in the bottom of this packaging as well. On to our second. This is the diffuser. It's a new flashlight option from Olight. So we'll go ahead and pull this out. It does take AA batteries, which is nice, but it also comes with a charger, and that is because if we unscrew this back here, you guys can see this little design that lets you actually get a little bit of grip on there. It comes with this battery, which is rechargeable. I like that they did this, so that way if this does die, I always carry rechargeable or AA batteries anyway, so I can actually change that out and then charge this while I'm using the AA batteries. That's a great function. I'm really glad that they did that, because there's nothing more frustrating than having a rechargeable light without a battery that comes out. So the button here, it doesn't roll. This is why it's designed like this, like it slides, because the sides are chunky. You guys can see, not a super big light. It does come with this strap for you to be able to carry it with. We'll go ahead and press the button. It's got 1, 2, 3 modes, and obviously that is pretty bright. I know that the battery that comes in here is a very high milliamp battery. So if you put a normal AA battery in there, it won't be quite as bright, but it does come with the rechargeable battery. So that is fantastic. It's black with the blue accents. I love black especially for the stuff that I carry every day. So that part of it is super nice. It's got different run times for the different settings, but it's got a 7-hour runtime for the medium. It's got a 25-hour runtime for the low. It does last for quite a while, and it's super sleek. I like that. There's no pocket clip on it. It's not meant to be a pocket clip type of deal. It is not going to roll on you though. It's got this strap for you to carry in all your different places. So that part of it is super nice. All right, now we've got some wild stuff going on here with this case. You guys, this is the Olight Baton 4. It's the premium edition. Now, there's so many different things that this case does. If you open it up, looks like a giant lighter, okay? It looks super sweet. This is the black, and it's got the Baton 4 inside of it. So if we pull this out, it's a normal flashlight. You press it, it's got different modes, different brightnesses. You guys know how this works. It's got the double clip on it as well. I like the double clip, so that way you can put it in your pocket this way with this clip here, or it can go this way. But it recharges, this case here recharges the flashlight, which is fantastic, and it's super powerful. But you can also command the flashlight with the case, but it gets even brighter, you guys. This flashlight is ridiculous. And so you press it, and in order to change it, you just hold this in and it gets brighter or dimmer. So that is a super cool option. If you guys can see it here on the front here, it tells you what the percentage is of this charger, because not only does it charge your light, but it also it charges your light 3 times, but it also will charge your phone or your laptop or whatever you need it to. It's a portable charger. So that's the USB-C. So you just plug your USB-C cords in there to charge it when you plug it into the charger, but it also charges your phone, charges whatever you need it to charge. So if you take this onto the job site and you need to charge something, you can. Not only is it a flashlight, but it's a portable charger. The other cool thing is, if you're already invested in the Olight platform, it's not just this Baton 4. You know, I've got this, the Perun 2, whatever you want to call it, that'll slide in there, and it'll also charge that. It charges 4 different style of lights, which are the Baton 4, Baton 3, the S1R2, the Perun Mini, and the Perun 2 Mini. So it charges a bunch of different stuff. But more than that, I love that it doubles as a flashlight. This is one of my favorite new options from Olight, you guys. This, having it be a flashlight, you can pull in and out, as well as charge your phone, charge your laptop, whatever you need on the go. It's all in the size of your hand. Like I said, you can tell what the battery life is on the actual charger here. Super great option. I love this from Olight. You guys go check this out. This is probably my favorite new thing from Olight. Go check it out while they've got their Black Friday deals going on. You guys, these are some awesome offerings here from Olight. I really do love the quality of their stuff. They are fantastic. So you guys hop on the deals that are happening this Black Friday. You guys go ahead, head down to their website. And if you guys want to see the video that I just did on this baby here, go ahead and hop up to this video. There's a link in the corner. Go ahead, click on that. Go see the other offerings from O Tool and O Knife. But remember, you guys, it's all for his glory, and I'll see you guys on the next one.